you turn the vehicle off?
Yeah.
Alright, fine. Is handbrake on?
Yeah.
Settle it on the road, Bill. So, they can be on the pavement. So what's happened is yourself and this vehicle, you're going to be stopped under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act for the purpose of a search. Okay, the grounds for that are, you should keep your hands out your pocket. You Gareth Evans?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have information to believe that yourself and the vehicle could be drugs linked to the vehicle and yourself, and I potentially have seen this car involved in a drug deal not so long ago. Okay, so that's the purpose of the search.